view, you do everything. Disathi izandla zigcwele ikhanda zidlula ikhanda nginthanda kakhulu. UBuXhosti kena uzosithatha kancinci asixelele ukuba ungubani. Xosti, the man.
Njani siswami?
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Hayi kubonga mina.
And you know, I was laughing earlier. I was like, I don't know which language should I speak with him. Should I speak English? I mean, he's been in the UK almost 2 decades now.
Yeah.
So I thought maybe he forgot his
Not at all.
his native language and all that.
Not at all.
And I appreciate that. I need you to take me back before now we go and sikhulume ngoXhosti. Who's Xosti? Where were you born? And what's your parents' name that they chose and blessed you with?
Yeah, Xosti gama lami liphelile uXolani. Yeah. I was born kwaBulawayo eZim early 80s.
That's enough. Yeah.
Igama lika Xosti liqala from emculweni mangiqala into zomculo nanani. Actually, how this name started, I started way back before I went to UK in terms of music nanani. But I was called myself with my what do you call it? Isthakazelo.
Okay. So ubani isithakazelo sakho?
Mazia. So I was calling myself Mazia on music industry.
Okay.
And then when I went to, I did a song with DJ Tira, and then Tira asked me what's your name? And then I wasn't sure because I'm starting to go to professional level of music. So I wasn't sure about my name, which one I'm going to use for the first stage name. Can I use Mazia? Can I use Xolani? And then I said, Xolani. Tira says, oh, it's not catchy.
It's not.
Yeah, it says it's not catchy. When you post.
Yeah.
So it's how my name started.
So you were named by Chiki.
Exactly.
I love it. So it was when you say Bulawayo,
yeah.
There's a lot that coming in my head.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Mina, my favorite person of all time, Undux Malax.
Oh.
My dad used to listen. That was his signature, right?
Wow, yeah. I don't know Undux Malax.
My dad.
All right.
My dad was a Chiredzi.
Okay.
So a lot of times he would listen to Undux Malax.
Right.
And what I loved about Undux Malax, he would tell stories like Uvusi Klimba, how he does.
Oh, yeah. He likes to
it's a sense of humor and all that. Yeah. So now, take me back before the UK and everything, the family dynamics. Xolani, uhlala nomama nobaba ekhaya and siblings. How was it for you ukhulela eZim eBulawayo?
To me, actually, sengihlale iminyaka eminingi outside of the country. That iminyaka ngayihlala eZim.
Really? But tell me about your growing up.
Yeah, I'm ngikhulele emakhaya. Like I'm not from town.
Okay.
Yeah, ngikhulele emakhaya. I went to school esemakhaya. So lapho nje engaqala khona. Actually, maybe ngahlukana nabazali no age of 10.
Tell me about it.
No, not 10, I'm lying. Around 15 when I went to high school. So when say high school, we say boarding school.
Okay.
And then kushukuthi nje maybe abazali ngahlala for 13 years.
13 years, yeah. When you started high school, you went to boarding school.
Kwaba kuhlukana nabo until today. Kodwa ke ngakhulile ku family ubaba nomama. Understand? Yeah. So mina nje spend a lot of time alone, understand? And then I end up taking journey after school, taking journey ukuthi ngize la eGoli, ngafika eGoli ngaqala khona izinto zokucula nani before I went to UK. Yeah.
Okay, this is what I'm going to ask. You have siblings?
Yes.
How was it for you cutting an umbilical cord? I'm going to call it cutting an umbilical cord from the parents and the siblings, and you being an independent young man.
Yeah.
How was it starting the journey? Because I think it change. It's very scary.
Yeah, it changed. It's very scary. But remember, I went to boarding school, and then I was very hungry for success because I'm coming from a poor family. ubona manikhula libuya kuma like boarding school
Disadvantage,
esikhathi esiningi is rich, kids from rich family went to go boarding school, and then
Yeah.
I'm from poor family, and then manihleli uzwa abantu bekhuluma now ufisa ukuthi I don't want my kids ukuthi benga-witness lento. I can't witness those rich things. So what understand? Maybe ngine brokoli one, masokisi ayi-1, you understand into efana nale. But some kids they change this and that. I don't want my kids to be like that, like me. Understand? So ngaba hungry for success, understand? And then ngafuna ukuriska. That's just why ngathatha i-risk ukuthi
You come to Joburg.
yeah, yonke into evelayo ngizobamba.
How old were you when you came to South Africa?
I was 17.
So tell me now, it wasn't a hard thing for Wena because of Isindebele, it's not far from Isizulu.
Oh yeah.
It's still
Yeah, same
Nguni.
language, yeah.
Yeah, so for Wena, I'm not going to talk about the language barrier. I think
Yeah.
it was easy for you. When you came to South Africa, which province did you land it to?
eThembisa ngahlala eThembisa for, I think ngahlala for 10 years.
How was it?
I was good because kulapha ngaqala khona, you know, end of teenager bakho.
Yeah.
Yonke into nje nga-experience from eThembisa, my first girlfriend, everything, you understand? So ngaqala i-life from Thembisa, yeah. So I was really good.
Elokishini,
yeah.
But elokishini phela, there's this thing that is said anywhere in a country, anywhere in the world, should you mention South Africa and township, they think crime, they think all of those things. How was it for you?
Yeah, kusho ukuthi like the background engambuya kuyo from a Christian family, I wasn't involved ku crime. Yeah, no. Angaze ngabhema phuza, so ukuba ku crime kwangasi into engangifuna vele kahle yabona.
But now, weren't you a victim? Zange bakufikisa nje.
Oh, of course. Of course, yeah, of course. I remember shawa ngamampama lapha train station. I-crime ikhona lapha especially mawuhamba ebusuku, mawungahamba nje after 7. Inkunzi bakubamba inkunzi. I remember I used to sell ama-pieces station. Yabona
chicken, yeah.
So I was selling ama-pieces, chicken pieces for omunye umjito wase-Mozambique.
Okay.
So at the end of the shift yanginikeze
Your
something.
card, yeah, commission.
Yeah. So one day there's these guys, actually lapha ngiyathengisa. These guys, they came to me, they says, oh, I think they're paying 100 rand. And they said they don't have a change. I said, no, I don't have a change. This other guy was waiting like 2 meters away. He says, oh, I've got 100 rand change. So mangiyakuye lapha bafika bangikhomba ngesibhamu.
Just for 100 rand.
Bangithathela yonke imali engasengenzile, yabona. Bangithi yonke imali engasengenzile. Nangithi ngiyofuna i-change, bathi bangithathela yonke imali engenzile. Makafika lo mnikazi wama-pieces athi na ngiyamtshela ukuthi na athi akwenzeke. Ufuna imali yami.
So he thought you staged everything. He thought maybe you
organized. Maybe I'm organized abangani bami. So I have to work again, but imali yana back. Yabona.